Be the decision maker. Don't let anyone, don't let others determine how your life should be. Hello, my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Who are you? Who you truly are? What do you want from life? Where do you want to live? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to live? What is your path? When you know your path, it's so important. When you know your path, when you know yourself, when you know your worth, when you know your goals, when you know your true place, when you know what is actually inside you. No one else, no lover, no family, no friend, no teacher can change your path, you know? No one can make you get lost. Every insult and criticism should not have a negative impact on you and cause you to retreat, remain silent, and surrender. Don't let them. Anyone, your family, your friend, your teacher, your master, your lover, no one. When you know what is inside you, what your path is, what your path is, what you want to do with your life, where you want to go. Where do you want to go and what is your goal? Nothing. No criticism will change your path. So, what are you trying to say? Who you are, what is your goals, where you want to go, what is your mission? Do you know your mission? What is your mission? What are your goals? Do you know? Then you are going to grow. You have to hear the voice, your inner voice inside you, that pulse, you know? See that pulse inside you. Listen to what your inner voice trying to tell you. Don't let them. Don't. No one, no family, no individual, no one should decide for you. No one should decide for you. This is your life. Don't let them. This life is yours. I told you, be the decision maker. Don't let others determine how your life should be. Don't let them. Don't. Okay? So, take care of yourself and focus on yourself. Okay? There is only one you. No one can take your place. And you also, you cannot take someone else's place. Okay? If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with someone who need to listen to this video and watch this video. Thanks for watching and thanks for supporting me. Thank you. Write a comment for me. What do you think about this? What do you think? Do you want to be the decision maker of your life or not? Why you want to be and why not? Okay. Love you. Bye.